After studying this module, you shall be able to understand importance of iron sulfur proteins, need of synthetic analogues of iron sulfur proteins, structure and properties of rubidoxine model complexes, structure and properties of Fe2S2 model complexes, and structure and properties of Fe3S4 model complexes. Iron sulfur proteins are an important class of electron transfer proteins that utilize iron sulfur clusters containing sulfide linked di, tri and tetra iron centers in variable oxidation states. Discovered in 1960s, these proteins have long been recognized as one of the most ubiquitous and versatile prosthetic groups involved in catalysis, electron transport and sensing of ambient conditions. However, these iron sulfur redox centers remain unexplored for a long time as they could not be extracted from these proteins. And even if attempts were made to do so, disintegration of their active sites, a complete loss of biological activity occurred. For this reason, significant efforts have been directed towards understanding their properties and functions at a molecular level through the design of different model systems. For the very first time, Holm and co-workers reported the synthesis of 4-Fe ferredoxin center via the treatment of methanolic solution of iron 3 chloride and sodium hydrogen sulfide with 3 equivalents of NaSCH2PH. Figure demonstrate different types of iron sulfur proteins. You have a iron S cysteine 4, 2Fe2S cluster, 3Fe4S cluster and 4Fe4S cluster. Let us talk about synthetic model complexes of iron sulfur proteins. At first, we shall have a brief idea about what rubidoxine model complexes are. Do you know what rubidoxines are? The rubidoxines are a low molecular weight iron protein containing an active site that is composed of one iron atom tetrahedrally coordinated by 4 cysteine thiolate ligands. Synthetic model complexes of iron 2 and iron 3 rubidoxine that can be readily obtained have been discussed in the ensuing sections. The common synthetic pathway for obtaining iron 2 reduced site analogues of rubidoxine generally accessible through simple reaction in ethanol or methanol and subsequent precipitation with an appropriate cation has been demonstrated. So, you can see how an iron 2 salt has been taken and it is reacted with 4-RS ligands to form FeSr4 2- complex plus 2 chloride minus. On the other hand, how do we obtain iron 3 synthetic complex? That is done as iron 3 oxidized site analogues are not stable and therefore, ligand exchange reactions has been widely utilized to develop stable iron 3 model complexes with R containing an alkyl or aryl group as represented in the equation. So, what we have done is we have taken FeOC6H3 26Me2 4 minus plus 4RSH which forms FeSr4 minus where iron is present in plus 3 state plus 4 molecules of 2,6Me2 C6H3OH is formed. Let us now study the structure of iron RS4 complex. How does it look like? The structure of Fe RS4 core has a D2D tetragonal symmetry compressed along the S4 axis. As shown in figure, studies have revealed that the bond lengths and bond angles for both typical rubidoxine and its analogues are consistent with typical ranges of iron 3 sulfur is 2.25 to 2.31 angstrom and iron 2s is 2.29 to 2.39 angstrom. It is also evident from the obtained structural data that the distortions within the enzyme core in the synthetic model compounds are caused by the surrounding protein. So, as shown in figure, you can see the structure of iron RS4 core. So, where we can see that iron is surrounded by 4 sulfur atoms and 2 of the sulfur atoms are tetragonally compressed along the S4 axis. Properties and biochemical activity. The reduction of iron 3 ion has been considered to be the most crucial redox reaction related to protein active sites and model complexes, wherein we can see that iron Sr4 minus is accepting one electron to form iron Sr4 2 minus, that is iron 3 is getting converted into iron 2. In case of rubredoxin clusters, redox potential not only depends on protein environment but also influenced by effects of solvents such as electrostatic interactions, pH and ionic strength. The synthetic model complex also supports the redox reaction and the potential for this couple exhibits expected shifts due to chemical environment. In addition, it is also reported that most native ribredoxin iron sulfur proteins demonstrate a reduction potential of 0.10 to minus 0.10 volts versus SCE. On the other hand, in most cases, analog complexes show a comparatively more negative range from minus 0.11 to minus 1.11 volts. Next, we take the case of iron 2s2 model complexes. The simplest polymetallic system, the iron 2s2 2 plus cluster is found in plant time ferredoxins as well as risque proteins. Risque proteins are 2Fe2S proteins which are present in cytochrome bC6 complexes. In ferredoxins, the Fe2S22 core binds with 4 thiolate ligands from cysteine residues. However, the 2 thiolates are substituted with imidazole ligands from histidine residues in case of risque proteins. So, we can clearly see the difference between ferredoxins and the risque proteins, wherein in ferredoxins you can see there are 4 thiolate ligands, whereas in risque proteins the thiolate ligands are substituted with imidazole ligands. The models for Fe2S2 complexes have been synthesized using a series of reactions as shown. So, how do we obtain Fe2S2 clusters? This can be done in the following ways. What you can do is take 2FeCl3, react with 4S minus plus 2H minus plus 2MEO minus and you obtain Fe2S2 Sr4 2 minus plus 6Cl minus plus 2 molecules of methanol. Another approach involves you can take 2FeCl3, react with 8Rs minus and 2 sulfur to produce Fe2S2Sr4 2 minus plus 2R SSR plus 6Cl minus. Next, you can also take 2 molecules of FeSR4 2 minus plus 2S to give Fe2S2Sr4 2 minus plus RSSR plus 2Rs minus, or you can take 2FeSR4 minus, react with 2S and you obtain Fe2S2 Sr4 2 minus plus 2R SSR. Typical ligand substitution reactions are as follows. So, it can be produced by using the ligand substitution pathway also. So, what you need to do is take Fe2S2SR4 2 minus, react with 4 molecules of R-SH and you obtain Fe2S2 SR-4 2 minus plus 4RSH, or take Fe2S2X4 2 minus, react with plus 4RS minus to obtain Fe2S2 SR4 2 minus plus 4X minus. Now that you have a fair idea about how these model complexes are synthesized, let us discuss the structure of Fe2S2 complexes or clusters. The structure of the Fe2S2 core has been described in figure wherein you can see that 2 iron atoms are bridged by 2 sulfide ions and coordinated by 4 cysteine ligands in Fe2S2 ferredoxins, or by 2 cysteines and 2 histidines in case of risque proteins. In such type of clusters, Fe2S2 ROM is present, which is either planar or non-planar due to slight deviations from D2H symmetry. The iron-iron distances in binuclear site of protein clusters are generally longer, while in most of the synthetic model complexes, it falls within a small range of 2.69 to 2.71 angstrom. So, figure of the structure of Fe2S2 core has been shown here. So, you can see how the green sulfur atoms are bridged to the 2 iron centers, and while each of the iron centers are linked to further 2 sulfur atoms each. Properties and biochemical activity. Both type of iron sulfur proteins utilize Fe3,2 or Fe3Fe2 redox couple in order to perform biological electron transfer reactions. Thus, in such type of Fe2S2 kind of clusters, you can have either the iron atoms present in +3 oxidation state, or you can have one iron which has +3 oxidation state and the other which has a +2 oxidation state. The 2 iron atoms present in the active side of the protein are rendered inequivalent due to the surrounding protein environment, even in case of fully oxidized Fe3,2. However, in the synthetic analogues, both iron atoms are equivalents due to symmetry of the overall complex. It is also reported that the redox couple operates at a E0 value of -0.42 V versus SHE, while in case of synthetic analogues, it works at a more negative potential. The redox properties of the synthetic clusters have been utilized for the oxidation of alcohols and ketoalcohols, and also for reduction of alkenes, alkynes and carbon dioxide. Lastly, we move on to the Fe3S4 model complexes. Now, what are Fe3S4 clusters? Fe3S4 clusters are ubiquitous iron sulfur motifs which are predominantly found in vitro in various sources such as bacterial proteins and human iron regulatory proteins. Based on their linear or cuboidal geometry, a number of synthetic models have been synthesized. The synthesis of the linear Fe3S4 SET4 3- complex from FeSET4 2- has been described. So, as you can see, 3 molecules of FeSET4 2- react with 4S to give Fe3S4 SET4 3- plus 5/2 ET SSET plus 3 ET S-. The other forms of the linear 3 iron core can be generated by ligand substitution reaction as shown. So, you take Fe3, S4, SET4, 3 minus and react with 4 molecules of RSH and you obtain Fe3, S4, SR4, 3 minus plus 4 molecules of ETSH. The cuboidal structure of Fe3S4 cluster was synthesized for the first time by Holmes group using the semi-rigid trifunctional cavitin 135 tris 46 dimethyl 3 mercaptophenyl thio 246 tris paratolulyl thiobenzene to bind with Fe4S4 cubane at 3 of 4 iron corners as shown in figure 4. The unique iron was subsequently removed by reaction with N-methyl imido diacetate. So, you can see in the figure represents the structure of Fe3, S4, LS3, 3 minus and you can clearly see how 3 iron atoms are bonded to the sulfur atoms and the cavitin is present which is surrounding it. Structure of iron 3S4 complexes. It is well documented from the literature that linear cluster analog contains 2 ROMs of Fe2S2 core bound to one of the iron atoms. In contrast, the structure of the cuboidal model compound is closely related to the cubane structure. Structures of both analogues, that is cuboidal and linear, have been depicted in figure. Further, it has also been found that the bond angles FES and Fe distances observed in synthetic analogues are in good agreement with the iron sulfur clusters. Figure shows the cuboidal and linear cluster analogues of Fe3 S4 core. Thus, you can see how Fe3S4 may be present in 2 structural forms. One is the cuboidal form. So, wherein you can see how the 3 iron atoms are bridged across by the sulfide ligands and again each of these iron atoms are also attached to single sulfur atoms. And in the other hand, the linear structure, you can see how the 2 iron atoms are connected to a common iron atom and the 2 sulfur atoms are bridged across. Properties and biochemical activity. The 3 iron clusters are generally present either in completely oxidized or mixed oxidation states, that is 3Fe3 or mixed Fe3 Fe2 oxidation states. However, the reduced forms in synthetic as well as natural systems have not been isolated till date. It is worth noting that both model complexes and naturally occurring 3Fe4S ferredoxins are involved in electron transfer reactions, reducing to successfully more ferrous oxidation states. The oxidized forms of the synthetic models undergo reduction at a negative potential value of minus 1.5 volts. To summarize, iron sulfur proteins are an important class of electron transfer proteins that utilize iron sulfur clusters containing sulfide linked di, tri and tetra iron centers in variable oxidation states. Considering the significance of iron sulfur proteins, different model systems have been developed for understanding their properties and functions at a molecular level due to reasons as we explained before. The first synthetic analog of 4Fe ferredoxin center was reported by Holm and co-workers, which was prepared using methanolic solution of iron 3 chloride and sodium hydrogen sulfide with 3 equivalents of NaSCH2PH. Subsequently, the detailed description of the structure and properties of mimic models of rubredoxins, Fe2S2 and Fe3S4 iron sulfur proteins have been provided.